This is TNA, your favorite BBWs. Hey YouTube, this is Nay from TNA, your favorite BBWs.
I'm here to do a review for Love Me Hair in a quick installment.
In the box, there's a message from the founder. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. The hair comes in this little satin bag. This is actually really cute. Love Me 3D mink lashes. In the inside it says, you are so beautiful. This pouch, inside is a comb, rat tail comb, always good to have. They give you a strap for your wig, some hair wax for your flyaways. This is really good that they give you this. You two clips, some bobby pins, and a tweezer. 2 stocking caps, not just one, but 2. You can always throw a little bit of makeup over your cap just to make it blend in, so that's great.
I love that they provided instructions on how to care for your wig. Also, the return and refund instructions. Here are all their social medias. Please be sure to check it out. The wig that I purchased is a 20-inch deep wave full lace wig. Here are a few more details just in case I missed anything.
The hair does not have a smell. I haven't washed it, I haven't did anything to it. I literally just took it out the package. I did open it prior to making this video, but it has no smell. There are 2 combs on the back and 2 in the front. And it also comes with adjustable straps in the back. This right here is the brown lace, and then this is the purple lace that was inside, or pink purple. That's actually a great amount of plucking being done. I'm gonna customize a little bit more to my liking. Most people don't take their hair out of the box and just throw it on. You may have to pluck, you may have to bleach, you may have to tint your lace. There's different things that you're gonna have to do to make the hair look the way you want it to look. If you're not going to make the hair more to your liking, then it's best to just go to a professional. My hair took 3 days to come. It did say 2 to 3 business days. I did receive free shipping, and I received 23% off. So my total balance was $184 with 11 cents. The original price of the wig was $239 with 10 cents. I would definitely have to pluck way more hair. This is not a bad pluck. It is really not. Now that I have on this lighter cap, you can actually see, like, they did a good job, you know?
So right now, I'm just cutting the lace to the shape of my hairline, but for the back of the wig, because there's an adjustable strap back there, I would leave a 1/2 inch of lace just so that when you're blow drying your wig down, you won't be blow drying the strap down. The strap may not stick, so that's why it's good to leave that extra piece of lace so that you know for sure it'll hold. I didn't leave any lace. If I would have, it would have been a lot easier to hold and spray the back of my wig down. With the adjustable straps being there, I do have to use a little bit more hold and spray to make sure that it's down. I sewed on my elastic band, making sure my wig is secured. And don't forget, there are 2 combs in the back of your wig, so you can always stick those in. To secure my wig, I use Got To Be Glue Freeze Hold and Spray. I use this method for the entire wig, and I did not use any glue whatsoever. Because I don't like sleeping in my wig, it makes it easier to take off my wig with the hold and spray versus the glue. So when you hold and spray your hair down, or even when you glue it down, you may have to cut off some extra pieces of lace, or you can just secure it with the hold and spray or with the glue. I'm going to start plucking my hairline. I'm taking out the very first section of the wig. That way I'm plucking behind the hairline that's already there. I don't want to pluck off too much hair but I want to make it natural looking. So when I pluck, I use a pluck, skip, pluck method, and I do that throughout the whole head. Right here, you see that there's a little bit of lace still up. So just go back over it with some holding spray. I like to go over my lace with some powder. That line you see, that's my cap. So I just took some powder and went down that line. That way it can be blended in. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I washed the hair so that you can see how it looks wet. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.